With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students. Question is, a recent survey found that the age of workers in a factory as follows. Okay, these are the one data in ages, in years, and number of workers. If a person is selected at random, find the probability that the person is, the first question is 40 years or more, second is under 40 years, third is having age from 30 to 39 years, and fourth is under 60 but over 39 years. Let's solve this problem. The first question is about the probability that the person is 40 years or more. So I am going to take one event, and this event is about person is 40 years or more. Okay, and we have to find probability of E1, and probability of E1 is equals to n of E1 favorable outcome upon sample space, that is n of S. And I am going to count total person which is 40 years or more. So this 36, 86, 46 and 3, this 86% are between 40 to 49, 46% are between 50 to 59, and 3% are between 60 and above. So n of E is 86 plus 46 plus 3 upon n of S, and n of S is total, this, and here I am going to find n of S that will be used for every 4 questions. N of S is equals to 38 plus 27, 38 plus 27 plus 86 plus 46 plus 3, and this will be equals to 200. Okay, so upon n of S, that is 200, and this will give 5. Okay, 135 upon 200, and both will cancel out with 5. Okay, then this is going to be 5 2s are 10, and 27 upon 540. So 27 upon 40 for the first question. Next, second part, I am going to consider E2 event. Person age is under 40 years, not degree. So probability of E2 is equals to n of E2 upon n of S. And E2, person is under 40, 27 plus 38, that is 65. So this is going to be 65 upon 200, that is 13 upon 40. Okay, and this is required probability. And let's move to our third, having age from 30 to 39. Okay, so for the third part, I am going to consider E3, which is our third event for this probability, and person having age from 30 to 39 years. Okay, then probability of E3 will be equals to n of E3 upon n of S. And total person in this event is 27. Okay, so probability will be 27 upon 200. Next, I am going to solve our fourth part. Okay, under 60 but over 39. Under 60. Okay, over 39. So E4, person is under 60 but over 39. So probability of E4 will be equals to n of E4 upon n of S, and person is under 60 degree, matlab less than 60 degree, and but over 39 degree, and over 39 degree matlab these two cases will lie, and both sum will be 132. Okay, that 86 plus 46 upon 200, and that is 132 upon 200. Okay, cancelling with 4, this will be 3 times 33 upon 50. And this is our final answer. Thank you, students.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.